Hey everybody, it's Paul Yokobitis from Cary Estate Planning, back with another video as part of our 366 video challenge for 2020. And today I wanted to talk about a common question we get, and that's, where do I file everything? Does any of this get filed? And the answer is maybe, right? So generally things like HIPAA authorizations, healthcare powers of attorney don't get filed. Things like wills can be filed, but it's usually after you're gone, and it's to effectuate some sort of either probate strategy, or it's the mechanism by which you transfer real estate that you owned. Some people decide to file their will with the clerk of court during their lifetime for safekeeping, like as opposed to a security deposit box or a fire safe at home. There is a cost to do that, and it's generally, I guess, a little more of an aggressive strategy, because then it's on record, there's an estate file generated, it's a little bit more out there, and it's a little harder to pull it back. So generally, we would, have our clients keep it at home, keep it in a safe or a firebox for safekeeping, but only use it when it's actually needed, which is going to be after you're gone. Financial powers of attorney, they're also known as general or durable powers of attorney, sometimes need to be recorded with the Register of Deeds, and that's usually going to be in the instance of a real estate transaction that's utilizing the power of attorney to facilitate it. Like if you're having somebody else sign on your behalf, whether it's a limited power of attorney specifically for a real estate sale, or somebody who's become incapacitated and their loved one is, facilitating the sale of their home, for instance. A trust usually is not ever filed. Sometimes we have to file a certificate of trust or some sort of summary of the trust in order to prove that it is valid and does exist if it's part of an estate plan. Generally that's after you're gone, but it's usually not the full, version of the trust. It's just a short form trust. And then that's usually it. So we usually don't like putting things in the public record until it's absolutely necessary. So filing it with the Register of Deeds or the clerk is kind of only as absolutely needed. If you have any questions about what to do with your planning documents, drop them in the box below. Otherwise, you can click on the link below to get on our calendar for a private strategy meeting. And we hope that you are enjoying these videos. You can click on our YouTube page to subscribe so that you're notified whenever we have new videos. Otherwise, we're doing one video every day, so keep an eye out over the next few days and the rest of the year for new, great FAQs and follow-up questions and that kind of thing. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.